our product, one of our product. Okay, and we have another wrap type. This wrap type or the inner type. Okay, the inner type. And if you're interested in, so chat with me, chat with Jessica. I'll send you the list, okay, the battery list for your reference, okay, for your reference. Okay, chat with me, okay, guys, leave me comment, and chat with me. I'll send you more details, okay? I'll send you more details, certifications. Okay, here we have all kinds of certifications, okay? Let's see here. So don't worry how to transfer the lithium battery, okay? How to transfer the lithium battery, okay? So we support customization, okay? We support customization. Just let us know which capacity of a battery you need and which brand cells you need, okay? And which here like the battery case you need, okay? Okay, guys. Very nice to have you here with Jessica, okay? If you don't mind, calm down.